Hey loves, aloha. We just got to our Hawaii house. We made a pit stop from the airport. Actually, Adam left right away. He left me and the kids at the airport, took an Uber to get our new car here, and we got a Wendy's picnic that we're eating outside right now. But we can't open the keys to get into our house, so we'll start the house tour in a hot second. Okay, it has been a long day. We were up at 4 o'clock our time to fly here, and because of the time difference, it's like 6 hours behind us right now. Fun fact, Hawaii doesn't have daylight savings, so right now it's 6, but like in the fall, we'll go back to being 5. Anywho, it's been a really long day, but I'm so excited because if you go back and look at our last house tour, we had some renovations done, and I've like seen it over the phone. It's my first time seeing it, so let's go in. Here's our home sweet Holly. Oh my God. You guys, oh my goodness. Literally, we just came in. So this is from like our contractor. He got like s'more stuff for the kids. And oh my gosh, I love these aloha drinks. They are so good. And Hawaiian rolls. Oh my God, the kids are gonna be so excited. Those are like their favorites. This is so nice, and it smells, oh, this is why it smells good. The fruit basket, I'm like, it smells like tropical fruit in here. It smells so good. Oh, I think Adam's talking to our neighbor. I need to go out there and say hi. I'm gonna pause the house tour a hot second so that I can say hi to the neighbor. The neighbor's so nice, you guys, like sweetest man. I'm just so excited. So our contractor like custom did that for me for like something I saw on Pinterest. I figured I would show you some close-ups of just the hardware here. I love these gold handles. We actually got them on Amazon. So if you are looking to kind of like change up your hardware, I feel like they came out really nice. They were like a champagne gold color. But one of the things we did have our contractor do was we had him have the microwave go into the island here. We had that at our last house, and I really liked it so that it wasn't taking up counter space. Try to give you guys a closer look at our faucet. It's a little hard, I think, because of the lighting, but it is the champagne gold color. We found a very similar one at Home Depot, but I ended up ordering it off of Amazon just to get it shipped here. A lot faster. Shipping here is really, really difficult, but it just has like the hot to cold, and I just love this color. And it matches the hardware on like this really, really well too. A little close-up on the backsplash here. So I was looking for something that had texture, and I wanted it to be a little bit shiny, and I feel like we accomplished that with this. And I thought it like just really brought out the little bit of like the gray marbling in, this is a quartz countertop. But I found this backsplash at Home Depot because we needed to find something that was in stock on island because everything was going to take forever to ship. And seriously, Dave is the best contractor because he somehow made all this happen over the last month while we were back in Ohio. And I love the under cabinet lighting too. It actually changes colors. Like the kids are probably gonna have way too much fun playing with that, but I love how that looks. And just with like the floors too. So I feel like the floors have sort of like a combination of cool and warm tones in it. And so that's what I kind of loved about like the hardware brings a little bit of warmth, and then like countertops are pretty neutral. This brings like a little bit more of like cool, so that there's like just like a contrast of the different textures here. But seriously, I'm just like so happy with all the little details. Dave, you're amazing. I mentioned these pendant lights. I looked at a bunch of local shops, or I should say my wonderful realtor Erin looked at a bunch of local shops and sent me a ton of pictures, but they didn't have 2 matching ones. So I ended up having to order these from Target, and honestly, I'm so happy with how they turned out. I feel like it turned out really, really good. Just one more look at the hood. I seriously, I'm so happy. This was custom. So our contractor, Dave, again, seriously, Uncle Dave, I love you. I cannot wait to work with you on more things that we're gonna be doing in this house. But I showed him a picture on Pinterest. He made this happen. And when he originally did it, and this is why he's like the sweetest contractor. So he got cabinets still that go right here, and we actually have them saved just in case, like if we were ever to like change our mind, so that at least like you could have storage up there still. But we ordered, it's like a over the range white hood. So we ordered that on Amazon too and had it shipped here. And then he custom built this to look like the picture that I saw on Pinterest to fit around the hood. And then like over where the cabinet storage would be there, but like we still have the doors saved, like just in case if we were ever to like change this up, which I don't want to, I absolutely love it. But I just thought that was really sweet of him to like make sure that like just in case we were covered. And all the appliances were the ones that came with the house, and they're like in great working order. I do have my eyes on these Cafe GE like white appliances that have this same color like handle. So we'll see. It's a lot to ship anything here, but especially to get appliances here. So we're gonna see maybe a little bit down the line if it's possible or not. Get ready. I can't wait to work on some new recipes and all that fun stuff. And then in the hallway here, the whole hallway, by the way, this is like new floors because we had to actually for redoing the kitchen. These were like uneven. So he like leveled everything, and then we like continued it down the hallway here. And these were like one of my favorite things I got, these new lights for in this hallway. And then, okay, let's go. Honestly, guys, this could be a disaster. It's like our warehouse, yep. We joke, this is the warehouse. It's like everything. It's gonna be Hey Hey's nursery, but it's the warehouse right now. Again, this is an empty-ish house tour until I can do lots of cleaning and decorating. That's like first on my agenda is I need to do like a deep clean, and we're gonna get everything like bed set up for the kids so that they can go to bed, and tomorrow will probably be like lots of furniture construction. And then let's see, and here's the bathroom, number one. And I don't know, maybe like eventually we will do something in here, but for right now, it works. This is a little closet. And I think that's, yeah, right here is another closet too. So I'll have to organize all of these, oh my goodness. And then another bedroom in here, closet. Lots of closet organizing to come for sure. Okay, that bedroom and the master. Oh, he has the other, like these are the old light fixtures. That's what's in here. But the master bed, and I'll have to organize our closet and the view that we get to wake up to. Like I still, like pinch me, please. Aw, the kids are still out there having their little Wendy's picnic. So cute. Adam's talking with Hey Hey. He's like, I'm gonna let you film. Well, we're out here finishing our picnic. I think I forgot to show you guys though. This is our master bath. And eventually, I mean, we have like more plans for stuff we want to do, but you at least get to kind of see how it looks now, all empty. Oh, I'm like, those lights, I love them. Come on here, oh my gosh, I'm just so excited. Oh, you have no idea. I literally could not be more excited here. I'm gonna tell everybody that they can come on inside. Who wants to come in and see the house? You wanna come see it? We did come to this house before. Doesn't it look different now though? Are you so excited?
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up, and we just sing along. of the time.